You tell us the story. Tell us a good one, huh? It's
Well,
nice forecast this weekend.
It's okay. The best kind of forecast would be some rain, obviously.
Yep.
We don't have much chance of that. Even with a strong cold front next week, it looks like it's going to come through dry. Certainly a dry day today. Humidity's very low, and so the temperature really heated up after the cool morning. Ended up at 89. We're back to 87 right now. At 8 p.m. tonight, already down to 79, and at 10 p.m. tonight, we'll see temperatures down into the lower 70s. Football, it's Friday night. Our KBVO big game of the week is Hutto versus Connally, but wherever you are tonight, the kickoff temperature will average about 79, 80 degrees if it's around 7:30 like this game. South wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And if you're going to be at this game, you won't need to know this, but if you're not, we rebroadcast this game on KBVO tomorrow night. Our Friday night games are always broadcast on Saturday night, so check it out. Our Thursday night games are always live. And since we are talking football here, let's look ahead to Saturday. Tomorrow, Texas, Oklahoma State kicking off at 2:30. It's going to be a hot one. In fact, if you're in the direct sunshine in the stadium while the temperature's around 90, that's a measurement in the shade. If you're in the direct sun, you know, it'll feel like upper 90s, maybe even close to 100 degrees there briefly till the sun gets a little lower in the late afternoon, but by then the game will be wrapping up. Not much help from the wind either, southeast at 5 to 10. But tomorrow morning for your tailgates, if they get started earlier, will just be super. 88 degrees out in Llano right now. It's 87 in Burnet, 88 in Marble Falls. Our metro area temperatures in the 80s for the most part, 88 up in Georgetown, 87 in South Austin, our eastern counties. Also 86 to 88 degrees, it looks like. Austin's 87, only 19% relative humidity at this hour. At the airport, it is 87 and 21% relative humidity. There is no wind blowing at all. Sunset a little earlier every night, and it is back now to 7 p.m. straight up. Mole count, we just can't get it down. 5,468 is still high. Fall elm at 340 is barely into that high category. Ragweed is remaining low. Around Texas, a warm day everywhere. 80s, even low 90s down there on the Rio Grande at Laredo. And not a cloud in the sky. There is not a cloud in the sky anywhere in the state of Texas right now. So our weekend forecast will continue to see the nice mornings, but we will have very warm afternoons. In fact, it may be a little hotter tomorrow and Sunday than today, but just by a degree or two. We're talking about 90 or so. There is a disturbance in the Western Caribbean right now, a large one. That's probably making folks vacationing in Cancun or Cozumel a little unhappy right now. A lot of rain in that area. About a 20% chance of development, according to the National Hurricane Center, into a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next 48 hours. Now, this system is going to come right toward us, but it is going to be intercepted by a cold front, and all that moisture will be pulled away, and we will stay dry. That cold front that'll move through here will come in early Tuesday, we believe. While it is not expected to bring us rain now, it will bring very windy conditions. We're going to have a high fire danger situation next Tuesday behind this front. But it will also bring us our coolest weather so far this season. We're talking 40s in downtown Austin. We're talking some 30s out in the hill country by Wednesday or Thursday morning. So let's enjoy the next couple days. Mornings will be just real pleasant. You won't even need a jacket. Well, maybe a little bit. Low and mid 50s in some places, upper 50s in the metro tomorrow, and then close to 90 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So 59 overnight, clear skies, south winds. Tomorrow, southeast winds, high 90, clear skies. Let me show you how that 7-day forecast pans out. Sunday's pretty similar, back up at about 90 after the nice morning. On Monday, we have some low clouds in the morning, then sun, and 91. But there's that front on Tuesday. Look at the impact that temperature, that front makes on the temperatures. Highs in the 70s for 3 days. Those lows falling into the 40s.